Hello friends! In this video we intend to fund the Onyx trading account together using the TRC20 method. Let's click on the Add Funds option so that the transfer page opens up for us. Here we select the cryptocurrencies option. We select our trading asset, which is Tether, TRC20. The amount we want to fund our account with should be entered in this section. Please note that the minimum withdrawal amount on this broker is $20. After entering this information, you need to go to your wallet on your mobile phone, select Tether, TRC20 in your wallet, and choose the Send option. Scan the QR code, enter amount, tap Next, Review, and Confirm. Deposit on Onyx done. At this stage, scan the QR code with the wallet you have on your mobile phone. But in the next part, you enter the desired amount on your mobile phone and then click the Next option. In this part, you will be able to see the details related to the deposit. After reviewing these items, you should click the Confirm option. As you can see, your deposit operation in the Onyx Trade Broker was successful. In this section, you can view the details related to the deposit and payment. In this section, you click here and then click on Transaction History. Here, you can see the details. In the upcoming videos, we will be with you to teach you about deposits and withdrawals.